Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Wishes Thursday vlog. I am Lene Gehrig and today I'm happy to bring you Midnight Jewels paper pack from Hot Off the Press. Midnight Jewels is based on Twilight Jewels. If some of you can remember the way back for Hot Off the Press, we did a paper pack called Twilight Jewels, which may you remember had more of a pink tone to it. But this set, Midnight Jewels, has been updated to have richer and deeper colors. So it also happens to coordinate perfectly with Midnight Jewels Dazzles as well. So let me show you what's in this paper pack. They have a really beautiful celestial theme and the colors are just gorgeous. They're all double-sided, so I'll just take you through these quickly. Paulette did a really great product video. So if you're interested in looking at them more detailed, check out her video on the product page for Midnight Jewels paper pack. They're beautiful. This one has sort of this great stripe going through the center. Beautiful deep purples and navies. And you get 2 of each of the papers that I've just shown you in your paper pack. So let's look at a project. Here's a beautiful card that Debbie made. As I said, these coordinate beautifully with Midnight Jewels Dazzle stickers. As you can see, she used a border here at the bottom and the Shine Bright from the sticker sheet. And there's also the beautiful moon here, but we also have in our special value today the Over the Moon cutting die and greeting. It says to the moon and back, and it's just adorable and works perfectly with this paper pack, so be sure to check that out. And then she also did a card using vellum. Vellum can be tricky to use on cards because how do you get it on there without it showing? And Debbie just hid a little bit of the Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue, which is our new favorite glue. She hid that under places where she put the stickers, so that covers that really nicely. And then she added a really beautiful ribbon detail. She also colored some of her Dazzle stickers with Spectrum Noir pens, just to bring in some color onto those really nice neutral white stickers. We also have a scrapbooking page for you. This is another one that Debbie did. I thought was really beautiful. This detail right here, this sort of cutaway, she used her retractable penknife with the cutting mat underneath and then just went along the edge here of one of these loopy little strings and cut that away so that her photo could just be slipped right under that cutaway portion. And then there's a detail here that is just charming. It's where she took the Dazzle sticker border and she wove ribbon through the center of that, and I'll show you how she did that. Okay, so we have this here is the border, and she took some 1/8 inch wide grosgrain ribbon, started at one end, and then she just went up and down. Oops, there we go. There we go. And if it gets twisted, just work from the back and twist it to the front. Oops, there you go. Really, really a cute detail. I love that idea. And also on her page, she used the Twilight Jewel frame cutting die from Hot Off the Press as well. And I'll show you what she cut that from on our next video. On our next project. Debbie used a glitter sheet and white cardstock to get this really beautiful glimmery paper there. So the last project is a really stunning journal. And for this, it was covered with paper and then sanded the edge just a little bit after cutting away the excess. And the sanding is a nice little trick because it leaves a little bit of a white edge. You can see that leaves a little bit of a white edge and takes care of any of those little jagged parts when we're cutting around cardboard. Then she took some Gold Jewel Dazzle stickers. Once again, you got to use your penknife for this little trick. and you just lift these off with your knife, and then you can just embellish quite easily on your paper. Debbie also used some sequins. This is color. This is a berry, mixed berry set. She took, once again, the Cosmic Shimmer glue. Just put a little dot of glue there. Doesn't take much at all. And just added a few sequins for a little sparkle and little shine. Let me try to put another pink one here. There we go. Whoops, that one stuck to my finger. Let's try another one. Okay, and then a fun technique. These clear glitter sheets come in packages of 5, and they are just really indispensable if you do a lot of die cutting. So what you do is you go ahead and peel the sheet from the backing, and you'll notice here, as I peel this off, that it is translucent, which works great if you're wanting to make something like a window. But if you're wanting to make your die cut image opaque, then we're going to need to back it with something. So I just have plain white cardstock. Whoops. And I'm going to align the bottom edge. All right. There we go. Fortunately, it's very forgiving. Okay, so I've just got an edge going here. And there we go. Get out all those bubbles. And then we used our new fairy cutting die from hot off the press. And it made this adorable fairy that she then mounted with foam tape to give a little dimension. Just precious. So thanks for joining me today. I encourage you to check out the Money Saver for today's vlog. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just check down in the description for the link to the Money Saver at paperwishes.com. Thanks for joining me today.